In the fabric of life, clothes aren't just material, they are memories. The Voltas Beko 9 kg 5-star semi-automatic top-load washing machine cares for these special pieces, turning laundry from a chore into a way to cherish your life's narratives. Imagine a place where tough stains don't stand a chance. All thanks to the Super Way Pulsator. It gets down to business, getting rid of stubborn dirt just like hand washing does. But without all the hassle, the dual waterfall feature evenly spreads water and detergent, ensuring thorough cleaning and faster rinsing in every wash cycle. Equipped with the water-resistant IPX4 panel, it stands guard against splashes and spills, offering unmatched durability and reassurance for every home's needs. Say goodbye to long drying hours. Its fast dry feature ensures your clothes are ready in no time, making it perfect for those last-minute plans. The dual cassette filters work tirelessly to trap every speck of lint and dirt, ensuring your clothes come out spotlessly clean. With its high spin speed, it washes the clothes thoroughly and also reduces drying time, whether it's delicates, daily wear, or heavily soiled items. With 3 wash programs, you can tailor the washing process to suit every fabric's need. Designed with ample capacity and efficiency, this washing machine is suitable for large families. Built to last, its robust, corrosion-resistant body stands strong against wear and tear, ensuring longevity and reliability. Embrace homegrown innovation with this made-in-India washing machine, backed by a 2-year comprehensive warranty and an extended 5-year warranty on the wash motor, ensuring years of dependable service. Let the Voltas Beko 9 kg 5-star semi-automatic top-load washing machine be more than a machine. Let it be a caretaker of your laundry tales, making it your partner of everyday happiness.